Hello everyone, welcome to Bake Butter and Bites. In today's video, I'm going to share a very quick and easy recipe of coconut burfi. There are several ways to make it, but trust me on this is no fail easy method to make a perfect halwa style coconut burfi at home. Anyone can easily make it in less than 10 minutes with very few basic ingredients which could easily be found in our pantry or which are easily available. Let's begin. To make any Indian dessert or any burfi, you need a heavy bottom pan or any kadhai which is non-stick. So first we need a heavy bottom pan, then we turn on the gas on medium to low flame and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee to it. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add cardamom powder to it. This will provide a nice aroma and taste to the burfi. This is the most important element for any Indian sweet or dessert, or I would say for most of the sweets. After adding the cardamom powder, I'm going to add milk to it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the milk is bubbling, now I'm going to add in khoya, or that is known as milk solids, or also known as fika mawa, to it, and then let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes until the milk solids get completely dissolved. Try to remove all the small clusters of milk solid and convert it into a homogeneous mixture. When the milk solids are completely dissolved, I'm going to add in sugar to it and mix it well until the sugar get completely dissolved. Here I have taken fine sugar, but if you have granulated sugar, you can cook it for another 1 minute or so. You can see now we have a rubbery like consistency of this entire mixture. Now I'm going to start adding the coconut powder to it. It is also known as nariyal bura or khopra bura. It is basically desiccated coconut converted into powdered form. Do not add entire coconut powder together. Add in batches and mix well. You can see our mixture has started getting together. At this point, turn off the flame and mix in all the chopped dry fruits. Then I am adding a teaspoon of rose water to it. You can also add kevra water. You can totally skip the last step if you don't have rose water or kevra water at your home. At this point, if mixture looks little dry, you can add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk to it and mix it well. Or if it is too wet, you can add some desiccated coconut to it and adjust the consistency as you can see in my video. Now take out this mixture into any dish and spread it out in a 1 or 1.5 inch thickness. Smooth it on the top with the back of your spoon or any spatula. You can add in some ghee to make it smooth. Press it down and smooth the top with the help of spatula or back of the spoon. Cut it in any desired shape when it is still wet. Sprinkle some chopped nuts on the top and press them down into burfi. Here I am also adding 1 or 2 slices of pistachio on each piece. And the delicious, easy coconut burfi is all ready to eat. Let it sit on counter for 2 to 3 hours until it gets completely set, and then we can take them out in a plate and serve it. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut before you serve it. And here we have it, a delicious coconut burfi.